Hey gang, how are you? Welcome back to Sweet Willy. Hey, guess what? We got a new year and a new decade, and what better way to start with maybe taking some steps to eating better healthy. And we've done that. We're going to be doing this today. We're going to be talking about our friends at Revive Superfoods. Hey gang, hello friends, and welcome back to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. We got 2020 coming on us, and we got a whole new direction and a whole new thing going on in the kitchen. So, want to keep up on that, please subscribe and please hit those notification bars. I appreciate it. You will not be disappointed. So, anyway, I got a few weeks ago, I got emailed by the company called Revive Superfoods, and what they do is the pre-packaged smoothies that are ready, and all you have to do is add your liquid. Okay, so they sent me a pack of 9 of them. You probably saw them on the Instagram. So there's a total of 15 available. Okay, and they've got weekly plans and they've got monthly plans, and they run for the weekly plan around $5.75 a piece, and for the monthly plan, if you're willing to do that commitment, $5.49. So essentially, it's a meal in a cup. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a tasting of the 3 most popular according to the Revive Superfoods website. That's revivesuperfoods.com. Okay, and below there's going to be a coupon code, and that coupon code is going to be Willy60. Willy60, and you're going to get 60% off your first order. So something that you might want to take advantage of. So below we'll have the website, and we'll have that coupon code to remind you. But we're going to do a little of these taste tests. So the first of the top 3 are a strawberry zen. And this one has strawberries, peaches, zucchini. There's gluten-free oats into it. Chia seeds, goji berries, banana, and strawberries. So we're going to use this. There's 2 ways to blend it, or multiple ways. Sometimes you could use your regular blender, or I have one of the little food processors I got with my stick blender attachment, so we're going to use those. Also, they sent me a metal straw and brush to go with this. So everything is inside here. All right, so the instructions are really simple. We're going to use almond milk on this. All right, so typically almond milk or water we're going to use. And we're going to go with this one here. We're going to go with the strawberry zen, and I'm going to go with some almond milk. So it's really pretty simple. So the lid comes off, and we'll simply top the contents with our liquid. In this case, it'll be the almond milk. I'm going to put this here. Everything is still frozen. It comes to you in a freezer pack. There was what do you call it? Dry ice in that, which is always a lot of fun. And there we go. I'm gonna blend this until it's smooth. So when you're all set, we pour it back into our cup. Take our thing out. We pour it back into our.
You could use a spoon.
You could use a spoon.
Mommy's behind the camera.
It's just killing me here.
I am. I offered to help. He's so excited.
Yeah.
Giving him direction left and right.
Yep. So anyway, so the lid has a perforation. Mm-hmm. The lid's got a perforation on it.
Also known as perforation.
Oh, yeah, that too. And we'll just take our metal straw. So we will give this a taste. That's good.
Can I come over and taste it?
Yep.
Hey everybody, it's me. So I am much shorter than you. So I wanted to taste this, but I'm really excited that you're standing up taller, that we got sent these, because I am an intermittent faster. I've been doing that for about 2 years now. And so I only eat for an 8-hour window during the day. So I don't eat breakfast. And really, somewhere around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I should eat something. But often, we don't have anything in the house that would be a healthy thing for me to eat. So I skip that, and then I only eat dinner and then snack after dinner. So I'm really not getting the right amount of nutrition. So I've tried like keeping yogurt in the house or almonds. No. But when he got these, I was like, this would be my perfect 2 o'clock
nutrition. 2 o'clock nutrition.
Because these are like packed full
Right.
of vitamins,
Vitamins,
and energy, and all the stuff that you need. All right, so I want to taste this. Well, that's really good.
Yeah, the strawberries and the peaches really give it a good pop to it. So in this case here, we are going with number 2, which is Pink Dragon, okay? And this one includes dragon fruit, strawberries, lychee, kiwi, banana, beets, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Okay, a lot of these here are no sugar, gluten-free, dairy-free, and plant-based. So for those of you who are looking at a plant-based diet, this might be a very good midday snack. So in this case, we used the almond milk, and we're going to just use regular spring water here on this one. Okay, so we'll just top that off.
Just returning the straw.
Yeah, returning my straw. So, and what's really cool about the straw is they give us the nice cleaning brush that goes along with this here too. So we're going to use our second method. I'm going to use my big Ninja here. And one thing that I might want to recommend, it depends on how your day goes, is if you're starting your day off or whatever, maybe you're going up, you're taking a shower or on the gym, maybe what you do is you open up, put the liquid in, go about your business, and then come down and make it. Maybe it'll take the initial edge off of the freezing, and it'll help break up.
Also, our freezer is set at like
Yeah.
-10 because we were having ice machine issues.
Yeah, that's
Our
another
freezer
thing.
is a whole different world. Are those like whole strawberries?
Whole strawberries, you got whole strawberries, whole bananas, whole everything. Everything's whole in its natural state there. Look at that, guys. Cool. So, all right. So I'm going to put the lid on this one. We're going to see how this goes.
All right, I'm zoomed in on for the blending. Zooming into the blend.
Zooming into the blend. Here we go. We got that. We got that. Blammo! Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's kiwi.
I just timed this. It takes about 90 seconds. All right, we don't call it smoothie for nothing. We don't call them chunkies. They're smoothies. So you got to give it some time.
There you go.
All right, and because it's smoother, it moves a little better. So
Yeah.
you might necessarily. Nah, we don't need the spoon here.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, this looks. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this. Now this is a better smooth.
That is very smooth. Now, I just want to say one thing. Okay, so this, we'll put the link to this down below. I am in love with this thing, not just because of how well it works, but you see, here's the thing. This is the motor over here, so you can just take everything and stick it in the dishwasher.
In the dishwasher.
Yeah, I love me a tool that you can do that with. It also has a lid, by the way,
Yeah.
if you wanted to save whatever you made.
All right, so
All right.
let's give the Pink Dragon a taste. Wow. Now again, the main character in this mix is the strawberries, but with the dragon fruit and some of the other items, I would see the lychee, and there's beets in here too. They added some extra color, so there are some good. It's not just a strawberry, kiwi, banana type thing.
Can I try this one too?
There are some other flavors going on.
Let me see. That is really interesting. It's a lot less sweet.
Yep.
Which I think is good for me because I tend to like things that are super sweet.
And that was with the water.
And that was with water. I think that might also be a little bit better for me.
And we spent some extra time blending it.
Yeah,
So-
but I think the flavors are it's milder.
Yep.
If you like sweet, the strawberry zen is really, really good. But I love that there's beets in this
Yep.
because I'm trying to, in 2020,
Get
be more
beets.
plant-based. Well, no, just be, more beets.
The beet
more
goes on.
No, more plant-based stuff. And it's hard. When
Yep.
you only eat once a day, how are you going to do that? So now I can get this is really good.
Yeah, good. So, last
He's going
method,
to clean up and make the matcha one.
gonna clean up and make the one that I'm gonna have, and you can't have it because there's mocha in there.
Right. I don't like coffee. Huh?
Now, the morning mocha has cold brew coffee, cauliflower, banana, almond butter, cacao, MCT oil, cinnamon, and Himalayan salt. So,
Wow.
Not Himalayan sea salt. There you go. There's no such thing as Himalayan sea salt because
Himalayas
there-
being so high.
where is the sea by the Himalayas? So if somebody tells you it's Himalayan sea salt, it's a ruse. Anyway, so we're going to give this a rock, and we're going to use the almond milk, and we're going to use a regular blender for this guy. Yeah, I could see already this is going to I can see why this is the popular one.
Is this number one?
No, they didn't rank them. They said the most. There's also some new flavors on the website. Check that out on Revive Superfoods. There's some keto-friendly that they added, and there's one with pumpkin, and not pumpkin spice, some other pumpkin ones. So that would be kind of interesting. So I'm just going to set my blender on here to high and let it rip. I'm gonna time this out for 90 seconds, and we'll see how this goes. So we'll see in 90 seconds. I think the blender is probably your best method, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm all for the Ninja.
There you go.
Ninja's easier to clean.
Here you go. Here we go.
Also, the Vitamix is ridiculously expensive.
Yeah, well, any other blender will work for you. Again, that's if you want to go this way. It's got my perforations.
Perforation?
Perforations. There you go. My nice silver straw. I love that straw. And this is the morning mocha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is definitely would be my go-to. So wow. Yeah. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for Revive Superfoods for sending me this wonderful assortment. They sent me one of each. There are roughly 15. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see me try them all. And there we go. Like I said, you've got your monthly plans, your weekly plans, all right, all under $6 a meal. All right, and this is a meal in a cup, guys. All right, so something that really good. Like I said, I'll have the discount code of Willy60, 60% off your first order, and you would be ready to go and take the first steps to a healthier you in 2020. Boy, that sounded like an infomercial.
It really did.
But anyway, guys, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notifications, and we got big things coming up next year, and we're going to start this off super. So, guys, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.